Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make this awesome, super creamy, delicious body butter easily at home. This is a 3-in-1 body butter. That means you can use this on your body, on your face, and also on your hair as an awesome deep conditioner. I'm also going to announce a special giveaway at the end of this video, so watch until end for that. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button next to the subscribe button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notification. So let's not talk anymore, let's get started. At first, I'm going to show you the ingredients and tools you're going to need. You'll need one mixing bowl, some empty jars to store your product. I took 3 mason jars because I'm guessing that I'll need 3 of them. Then I took some measuring cups just to measure my ingredients. Then I'm using some unrefined shea butter. You can use the refined one if you want, but unrefined one is better in quality and I don't want to add any extra chemical in my body butter. Then I'm using unrefined cold pressed 100% pure organic extra virgin coconut oil. Actually, all the oil I'm using today is 100% pure and organic. Then I'm using 100% pure sweet almond oil, 100% pure castor oil. The last oil I'm using today is 100% jojoba oil. You can use also olive oil if you want, but in today's recipe I'm not using any olive oil. Then I'll need some essential oil. As you can see, I have a whole set of essential oil. Those of you who don't know, I'm a big fan of essential oil. I use it for everything. I make my house cleaner with it. I make my home diffuser with it. And I just use for everything. That's why I have a big set. But if you think that you're not gonna use too much, you can buy 1 or 2 because these tiny bad boys are really expensive. In today's recipe, I'm using some lavender oil. It has really nice smell. I'm also using some tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is really good to kill bacteria. And I'm also using some rosemary oil. All the oils I'm using today, they have very nice fragrance and they have their own benefits. If you want to use another oil, that's completely fine. You can choose any other oils of your choice and your skin concerns. Then today I'm using my handheld mixture and this type of beater to beat my product. Then I'll need some rubbing alcohol to clean and disinfect all the tools I'm using today. At first I washed my hand, but still I'm gonna wear disposable gloves throughout the whole process because I just don't want to pass any kind of germ in my product because I'm gonna give away some of the product to my friends. Then I'm putting some rubbing alcohol in a paper towel and I'm cleaning all of my tools just to make sure that there is no germs in any of my tools and everything is clean and sanitized. At first I'm using my unrefined shea butter and I'm taking 1 cup of it. Then I'm taking 2/3 cup of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of sweet almond oil, 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil and 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Now you can use more castor oil if you have hair fall concerns. In the meantime, I already boiled some water in a pot and I'm gonna put my butter and oil mixing bowl on top of it. Today I'm using double boiling method because I just don't want to burn it directly and I just don't want to ruin any of the nutrients of these awesome oils. Now I'm gonna keep mixing this with a spatula. It's gonna take around 35 to 40 minutes to melt down everything. Now after 40 minutes, you can see the oils are all melted. Make sure the temperature is low throughout the whole process. And now I'm gonna take this mixture and I'm gonna let it cool down for a while. Now when the mixture is in normal temperature, I'm gonna start mixing my essential oil. Now I didn't mix the essential oil before because I just didn't want to take a risk to burn all the benefits of the essential oils. So as an essential oil, as I showed, I'm using rosemary, lavender, and tea tree essential oil. Then I'm gonna put the mixture in freezer for about 40 minutes. At first I set the kitchen timer for 25 minutes, but after 25 minutes when I checked it was still very liquidy, so I just kept it for another 20 minutes. So after 40 to 45 minutes, I'm gonna take this out from the freezer, and you have to make sure that it's not too solid. Like you can press a finger on it and check that if it's soft enough to blend. Then I started whipping it up with my handheld mixture. I whipped it for about 30 minutes to get the consistency that I like, and in the meantime I keep mixing with my spatula just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. Oh, I decided to add some peppermint essential oil as well because peppermint oil is really good to relieve the tiredness and stress from your brain and from your body. And my life is very stressful, trust me. Then I kept blending and blending, blending and blending forever. Then I'm doing the same thing again and again. I mixed it with my spatula, then I started blending again, keep mixing, keep blending. In the meantime, I added essential oil for so many times because I'm a crazy fan of essential oils. I just didn't want only the fragrance, I also wanted all the benefits from these awesome oils. Now as you can see, it's all done. It's looking super creamy, super soft and super delicious. Now I'm gonna scoop it in my mason jars with my spatula. You can use a Ziploc bag if you want. You can just cut one corner and put this in your mason jars. It's gonna be easier that way, but I didn't want to do any extra step, you know. I was okay with scooping it in with my spatula. Okay, now my body butter is ready to use. I'm gonna give you a demo on my hand. As you can see, it's super soft, super creamy, and it left my hand super smooth like a baby spot. Yippee! Now it's time to announce my giveaway. Saw that I made this body butter. It smells good. It's a very good. All the products I used is very high quality. All the oil I use are 100% natural organic oils. I used unrefined shea butter, as I told. I used almond oil, which is really good for your skin. I used castor oil, which is also good for your skin and also good for your hair. So this mask, this is a 3-in-1 mask, so you can use this mask on your body, on your hair, and also on your face. But if you have very oily skin, I will suggest not to use this on your face. But if you have dry skin, or even if you have combination skin, it's gonna work really good on your skin. I used unrefined shea butter because I know that the refined one has chemical, which is definitely not good for your body. The reason I make my body butter at home, because I just don't want to use any extra chemical on my body because it's really harmful, right? When you use something on your skin, it can go inside of your body and it can cause lots of disease like cancer. So I have used other essential oil as well, which is also really good. So essential oil is something that's very good. If you saw my video, you saw that I use a good amount of essential oil because I only didn't wanted the scent, I also wanted the benefit from it. So let's talk about the giveaway now. So this is gonna be an international giveaway. No matter what country you are from, you can participate from any country of this world. I know I have lots of followers from Bangladesh, Pakistan, India, so you can also enter in this giveaway. Definitely can. So I'm just gonna be giving away one of my all natural organic body butter that I just made today. So I'm thinking to giving away one of this. But if I'm very happy about the result of this giveaway contest, I'm thinking to give away actually 2 of them. Yes, I'll tell that later if I decided to give 2 of them, but definitely I'm gonna giving away this one. Okay, so now I'm gonna tell you the rules to enter in this giveaway. So first rule is very simple, you have to like this video. And second rule is you have to subscribe to my channel, which is very common. Number 3, you have to share this video in your Facebook account and you have to keep that post public so that everyone can see that post and definitely so that I can check, And number 4, you have to follow me on my personal Instagram page. Those of you who don't know, I have 2 Instagram pages. As I'm a professional makeup artist, I have one Instagram handle where I post all of my client and bride's picture. You can definitely follow that page as well if you want, but it's not mandatory. But the mandatory thing is that you have to follow me on my personal blog Instagram page. I'm gonna give a link of that page in my description box. Last but not least, number 5, you have to like my Facebook page. I'm definitely gonna write down the link of my Facebook page in the description box. Basically, I'm gonna write down all the rules of the giveaway in my description box so that in case if you cannot hear me properly or if you cannot understand what I am saying, then you can definitely check the description box to enter in this giveaway. So this is all of today's DIY video. I hope all of you gonna participate in this giveaway. I'm gonna choose a random winner by lottery and I'm gonna announce the winner of this giveaway on May 15th, Wednesday. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button next to the subscribe button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll get notifications. So take care and bye.